Why should I track? If you'd like to know the importance of tracking on a weight loss program that has helped me lose over 100 pounds, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today, I'm going to answer a question. Why should I track? I'll tell you, tracking is an important aspect of your weight loss journey. You need to be able to see what you eat in the day and to make sure it's portion controlled and you don't go over your limits, because believe me, estimating it is not the way to go. You want to track every bite, lick, and taste, as they say, so you make sure you're doing an honest tracking. Now, my first tip, if you are starting out, is to actually track the food you eat on a normal basis. And I am sure you will be amazed at how many points they are, and if you're not tracking points, even how many calories. Just take a minute to track a normal day of eating before you even start your weight loss journey. Once you start your weight loss journey, there's 5 reasons that it helps you. First of all, it keeps you accountable on the food you eat. It will help you keep in check your eating problems, your portions. When you eat a half a cup of something, make sure you just eat the half a cup, track it, and then track the points or calories, and then that'll be it. Keeps you accountable, and if you're staying honest with your program and not just estimating it. Another thing is that it keeps you mindful. It will help you when you're tracking your food. It will help you to see exactly what you're eating. And when you plan it out for the day and your points or your calories and you track it in your mindset, it will help you take a moment to see exactly what you're eating. Tracking keeps you focused. It keeps you focused on your goal and what you want to achieve on your weight loss. If you have 23 points for the day, it will keep you focused, see how many you have to go, how many you used. It's a good idea to plan for the day so you can focus on how many points you need. And say if you want to have a bigger meal at dinner time, then you can track the dinner and then plan your lunch and your breakfast around that. But it just keeps you focused on what you want to do and helps you achieve it when you plan and then you track. Another reason for tracking is that it will motivate you. When you track your food and you lose weight, then it motivates you to keep on tracking. It's just a continuous rolling motion forward. It will just keep you going because you see when you track and you're staying within your points that you achieve your goals, and that will help you do it all over again the next day or the next week or the next month for that matter. The last thing that's good about tracking is that it helps you visualize, or it helps you see your eating patterns. So when you're tracking, honestly tracking your food, you can see when you eat more or what foods that trigger you to eat more. You can also maybe jot down any things that are going on so you know what points you eat. You tend to eat more or larger portions of food. So tracking is very important in weight loss. And comment below if you track honestly or if you feel it is helpful or not helpful. I know a lot of people just hate tracking, whether it's on the Weight Watcher app or writing it down, but it is definitely a plus in your favor to achieve your weight loss goals. So my advice is to track everything you eat. I like to track everything, whether it's vegetables or even 0-point foods. I like to track it all. I'm sure once you start tracking honestly, you will see the benefits of tracking by losing weight and establishing good, healthy habits. And you will be happy that you started an honest tracking program. And honest is a key word, so you have to track everything you eat. I hope you found this video helpful and get some ideas and insights into why tracking is important on a weight loss program. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.